to our channel.
Hi everyone, I'm Miss Shaw. Chào các bạn, cô là Miss Shaw và cô đến từ Trung tâm Anh ngữ Bay Cao Ước Mơ. Today we will learn how to describe animals. Hôm nay chúng ta sẽ cùng nhau học cách để miêu tả động vật nhé. Okay, let's begin. It's long. It has got no legs. It eats meat. It's a snake. It's a snake. It gives you milk. It has got 4 legs. It eats grass. It's a cow. It's a cow. It can fly. It says tweet, tweet. It's a bird. It's a bird. It can swim. It says quack, quack. It's a duck. It's a duck. This is also the end of today's lesson. Remember to practice more at home. Goodbye and see ya!
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.